Ayan guys, good weather for today. So ayan, maganda yung panahon natin. Ayan, may music talaga. So ayan ang aking mga chickens. Ayan guys, nagluluto ako ng aming lunch for today. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday. Have a blessed Sunday. So ayan yung ating niluluto ngayon. Ayan. Pritong bangos, mga pangga. So ayan. So ayan, mga pangga. Ayan. Meron pa itong natira. So, yan, yung ulo, head. Ito yan. Natalsik. Sobra. Tati, eat now. Ayan guys, prepare natin ng pagkain yung ating busis. So, ayan. Kakain na siya. Lintik na. So, ang kanyang rice. Ito lang yung rice niya, guys. Yeah, it's already late. Late.
The breakfast was late too.
Yeah. No, we eat early breakfast, but natin ng ano guys, ng tinik eh. Kasi nga, hindi sila marunong magtanggal ng tinik. So, hope that this one is already good. Pinabundis ko na to, pero para ma-sure natin, silip-silipin pa rin natin siya kasi nga, hindi ko makita yan.
Fish.
I already bundis this one, but
Looking.
the bones is so small. Ito yung kanyang food, mga dear. This one, oh, the bones is so small. Even though I take, must be, couple hands there. Two spoons.
Much people today? No.
No, because I'm already late going to the supermarket.
And much rain too, no?
This morning, much rain. Kahit pinabundis ko na siya, pero para sure, I double check because this is bangus. The skin, you want to eat that one? You can eat.
For cake.
You can eat that one. Here, you like the cut? Yeah, this is crunchy. You like it? You like it? So, ito yung kanyang fruits. Pipino with grapes. Kasi nga, kahit na yung prito ko ay olive oil, but still. Ako nasunog yata yung akong niluto doon. Eating time mga dear. So, nakita mo yung ano, yung kanyang, ito yung kanyang, prito pa kasi ako dun eh. You add more fish? You add more fish?
It's a bit
Enough?
no.
Sarap ng bangus, guys. Nilagyan ko natin ng asin at saka paminta. Yun na ang pinag-intigate to the cut. Kain tayo. Nipito ko pa kasi yung ulo doon. Hindi ko sa binibigyan ng pork kasi nga kahit na normal pa lahat ng lab niya, iniingatan ko siyang kumain ng pork. Pwede sa mga breast chicken lang. Fish, kaya natuto siyang kumain ng vegetables. Kahit ano, leafy, kahit ano. Nakain siya. Kasi alam niya na may mga bawal sa kanya. Ngayon, bye-bye.